I went to Costco last night and they had pumpkin pie. I'm about to give myself another slice because I had one last night, but it's so good. This is literally my favorite pumpkin pie. I do not like anything that like Safeway or any other stores ever sell. Like this is the one that's like super good and no one can beat it. Like even if you're making it at home, like I usually prefer to make like the pumpkin stuff that's inside and not the crust stuff because I just like the filling, honestly. I ended up stopping at Target before yesterday in the morning and I got this candle. It's like literally a giant sized, like so huge, but this is the scent that I got. I love this scent. And then I got another one. This one is gonna go like probably in the bathroom or something, but this one is salt. It actually smells really good. A really good new buy. Okay, I got these all peeled. They smell so delicious and they actually look very, very good. I'm gonna go ahead and chop them really fast. This is a potato masher. My dad actually made me it. He made a lot of them for mostly like a lot of family and family friends. But this thing is stainless steel, so it's literally gonna last me a whole entire lifetime. My future kids even have some made for them already, and these things are the best. I love it. But I just literally wanna, before it gets all hot, I wanna just mash it really quickly. But as you can tell, like it literally just mashes right up so good. And oh my goodness, the smell, if only you could smell it right now. But this is what I do to mash it up, and then I don't have to blend it or anything. Look like applesauce like consistency. And this has been like 5 minutes of it on the stovetop, so I'm just letting it burn on the smaller things. So if you guys have like a smaller side, like the middle burner, like this thing, make it be on a smaller one. If you don't have it, put it like on one of those, so that way it's smaller than the pot that you're using, and then you don't have to like worry about it cooking too fast. This way you'll still be able to leave it on like low heat and it'll still be able to like cook and simmer and stuff like that without boiling and splashing all over the place, because then it's going to be burning and all that stuff. So this is a perfect way to do it. An hour later, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, a lot of the liquid already like evaporated, and it's like becoming more thicker consistency. So if I were to pick it up on my spoon, then if I churn it, it still falls down, but some of it is sticking. So you're gonna want to wait until none of it falls off anymore. So probably like a few more minutes, like 15 more minutes or something like that. I'm gonna just keep it on here, come by and mix it a little bit more, and then we'll see what it ends up looking like. Okay, it's been 20 minutes, and as you can see, the jam has darkened. So if I lift it up right now and churn it, a lot of it is sticking onto the spoon, as you can see. You can turn it upside down, but probably like 5 more minutes and it's honestly done. So this is how I make my fresh homemade jam. Literally 2 ingredients, not like some garbage that you can't read on the labels. Yeah, I just prefer to make my own food, honestly, and it honestly smells so amazing in here. I don't even need to light a candle. I'm actually gonna try this. No, that is amazing. But I'm just gonna let it finish off because I think I'm gonna make mini like little pies or some kind of decorative design with the dough instead of just doing a pie like I normally do. I have some time today, so might as well try something new. It is done finally. This is my jam. It's cooled off, so it's like very, very thick now. These are so ugly, but so good. You literally get jam with every single bite. So they're like Danishes. I thought they were gonna puff up and be like more bigger, but I guess they spread out instead. So bummer. Sometimes you bake and it just doesn't work out, but it's okay. They're very good. So I had to make myself tea, of course. I drink Earl Grey, and this is what my lunch looks like. This is what pili mini are. They have butter underneath that's melting because I didn't want to mix it all together yet, but I'm gonna mix it all together once it fully melts and then just have some sour cream with it, and it's gonna be so good. I made these the other day and I just put them into the freezer so they can like freeze individually so they wouldn't stick together, but now I just have to organize them in a Ziploc bag. So I'm gonna do a little try on haul for you guys. First things first, I got this very cute lounge set from Princess Polly. It's a size 6, US size 6 to clarify, but it is a little bit bigger and that's totally fine. I prefer to lounge in stuff that's like a little bit more baggier, but they do have like the little straps that you can tie, like fix or whatever, so it is adjustable. And yeah, I love it. It has like some ruffles from the bottoms, and then the band is just like one of those stretch bands. So again, a little bit oversized. I think this would look so cute for just like overall summertime, and probably like throughout the winter with just like sweater over and little booties. So super, super cute. I am trying to like stay away from trends, and I know that I've been seeing like floral pieces for like a whole entire lounge like set. So I don't know if that's gonna last for a while, but I'm sure I can make this work. I'm not really like trying to follow trends. I'm trying to get like more stable pieces. So mostly solids, but this might have been like my only buy that's more like floral and printed. But anyway, let me go ahead and show you guys the next thing. Oh, and before I forget, this is the up close. Very cute. Okay, this is probably my most favorite buy out of everything. I actually love all my pieces a lot, but this one's just so freaking gorgeous. Like literally in love with it. This is like the true color of it. So you could see that it could be like see-through a little bit, but I would just like wear seamless underwear with it. It's just so adorable. I did kind of rip it right here the other night when I wore it. So I need to fix that. I'm kind of sad about that part, but it's very, very cute and adorable. I would say the material, like I live in Florida, so this is perfect for like fall and winter months, I would say. Maybe like summer at night, but with the humidity, it would be very hot to wear during the day in the summer. So I think this is just like a perfect fall staple piece. And yeah, so cute. I think the weather like literally calmed down after the hurricane. Like it became just much cooler out. So I loved wearing this the other day. I think it's very flattering for my body type. I just have to take care of this thing, but I did get it in a size US 6 and the tank is from Amazon. I can link it if they still have it. I have it in a size small. So yeah. And that's the back of it. Okay, so up next is literally all 4 pieces. So the hat and the sweatshirt I actually picked up at Brandy Melville. I've never walked in there before, never shopped there before, but I saw something very cute on Pinterest and I was gonna go get it. and just like see what they have. I didn't know if I was gonna fit into there because I know it's like a store made for like young girls, but anyway, I did fit into it, so I decided to buy some pieces. So got this thing and it's super warm and cozy. I am so in love with it. So this is the material of it inside. So it's like very soft, cozy, 100% cotton, I believe. And it's like a heavier hoodie too. So, well, it's a heavier sweatshirt, not a hoodie. And I think it's just so adorable. It is like a beachy green, so very like dull. Maybe you can see it a little bit better if I actually correct lighting right now, but yeah, I love it so much. I think it's so cute, and I have not wore a, let me put that into focus. I haven't wore a snapback in forever. I used to always wear my guys, and he loved this one on me. I did wash everything, and I washed the hat too, so I think I kind of have to like reshape it a little bit better. I'm just a clean freak, so I have to wash everything before I like wear it, but it's super cute. I love the mesh, and yeah, I think it's cute. Perfect for the beach because obviously I live here, and just like running errands. These shorts right here are from Free People. Oh, and before I forget, the sweatshirt is one size fits all. But anyways, the shorts are from Free People. I think they're really cute. They're a little bit off black, but not too bad. They're still like true black, and the shoes are from there as well. So very cute. I love platforms, and like for my shoes to be a little bit wider, it just suits me a lot more better. And yeah, I love them. This is the color. So they are see-through, I think. They could be, but I'm wearing like nude usually. And then the shoes, they did give me like a little blister from walking, so I have like something going on my leg right now from them. So yeah, I'm just trying to take a break and not wear them for now, but I think it's just a cute outfit, perfect for running errands. And I don't normally like wearing baggy stuff because my body type is an hourglass, so it kind of takes away from my shape, but whatever. I guess all of us need to be like super cozy. This is the last thing that I got. It's from Amazon. I'll link the color and the like link below. It's like the best hoodie. I've been looking for something like this that's like looking more put together, but very warm on the inside. It's actually a very good quality, so I'm surprised Amazon had it, but I sized up like crazy. I think I got an extra large in it, and I'm in love with it. Perfect color and perfect like coziness to it. So yeah, this is the back, so love. And then the quality of it, this is what it looks like. So it is more of like a heavier hoodie too, but this one's very warm, so you could definitely tell that they put like a lot of polyester with cotton in it. But again, that's actually very good material. If you watched my last vlog, I did share this shirt. It's a super oversized t-shirt from Urban, and I got the extra large size, so the very biggest size that they had, and I love it. You can literally just wear it as a t-shirt dress, and